Good morning, RJ Baxter here with your Saturday Start. Hope you guys are having a great weekend so far. I wanted to share with you guys a super powerful productivity tip that I just found out about, and I wish I would have known this sooner, and that is that you can connect ChatGPT with your Gmail. This is super powerful because you can do a lot of things with this, like asking ChatGPT to summarize your day, summarize your email day. You can ask ChatGPT to let you know which emails that are important that you didn't get back to today. You could do things like search for emails in the past that you want to dig out. I don't know about you guys, but the search function within Gmail is super annoying, trying to find the right key term to search for and then looking through all those emails to try to find the right one that you were looking for. So these are great ways that you can utilize this. I've started to use it myself, and man, it's really making a big difference. So let me show you how to connect your ChatGPT with your Gmail. Okay, so here's how you do it. It's really simple. So basically you just go to your name here and you'll see that I have the paid version. You have to have the paid version of ChatGPT in order to do this. You go to settings, you go to apps. I already have Gmail connected, but if you don't, you just go to add more. You search for Gmail and then you just click on it and it'll connect it. Then you just go to the settings. Something like this will pop up. Now mine says reconnect, but yours will say probably connect. You just go reconnect. You choose the account that you want to connect. And it's literally as simple as that. Now, something that I have noticed is that this will disconnect after you use it. So you have to connect it each time that you want to get into your Gmail to have ChatGPT analyze it. But besides that, it's pretty straightforward. You just have to go back into this apps section and just reconnect it again each time you want to use it. I hope you guys find that to be useful. Give me a call if you have any questions on how to connect your Gmail to your ChatGPT. And as usual, I'm here for you for any pre-approvals you need over the weekend. Just give me a call or shoot me an email. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.